Hello student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am gonna tell about the law of constant proportion. This topic is continuous topic of chapter 3 of class 9. As you know, I am giving you continuous classes of all chapters 1, 2, 3 motions. So for detailed knowledge of all chapters and next chapters, you have to first subscribe my channel Krishna classes and hit the like button. So let's start the today's class. What is the today's class? Law of constant proportion. This is the today's topic. This law was stated by the Proust. According to this law, in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportion by mass. It means, what is the meaning of this line? Example, you have to take example of water. In water molecule, oxygen and hydrogen ratio is definite by their mass. In other substance also the elements composition is definite by their mass. So this is the law of constant proportion. I repeat again, what is the law of constant proportion? According to this law, chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportion by mass. Example, water. In water, how many elements present? Hydrogen and oxygen, two types of elements present. So their mass is, the proportion of their mass is always definite. Okay, so this is the law of constant proportion. And next topic is Dalton's atomic theory. What is the Dalton's atomic theory? According to this theory, all matter, whether an element, a compound or a mixture, all matters, whether an element, a compound or a mixture, is composed of small particle, called atoms. Okay, so what is the Dalton's atomic theory? All matters, whether an element, a compound or a mixture, is composed of a small particle, that is called the atoms. So this is the Dalton's atomic theory. Some postulates of Dalton's atomic theory also I will describe in my next classes. So this is the today's class. I repeat again, what is the today's class? Law of constant proportion. According to this law, in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportion by mass. Example, in water molecule, how many types of elements? Two types, hydrogen and oxygen. You know, H2O is the formula of water. So the proportion of oxygen and hydrogen is always definite. This is the law of constant proportion. And next one is the Dalton's atomic theory. All matters, whether an element, a compound or a mixture, is composed of a small particle called atom. So this is the Dalton's atomic theory. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand all topics very well. This is very simple and very easy. So thank you so much for watching. You can take a screenshot or write in your notebook whatever you want for your memory. Thank you so much for watching. Please press the like button, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel Krishna classes. Thank you so much.